Hey dancers, all right. So we are going to be doing peppermint twist, cute little high beginner. No, I will say a little bit more beginner. So, I mean, you can practice it and you'll do just fine. Cute little dance by Joe Thompson from US and Roy from New Zealand. It's a 48 count, 4 walls, but don't have to be too worried about it. We're going to do as we always do. We're going to break the dance steps very slow. Then I will do a progression into just dance it with the calling of the steps. Then we add some counts, so we'll be doing just dandy. Yes? All right, so here it goes. So nice and slow. So we start with the strut, walking into your right side or in an angle. So kind of like a 2-ish o'clock, okay? So you're gonna step on the toe with a walk on the right foot, then the left, heel comes down. You're gonna do a kick and a quick little weaving back, turning into the left with a triple step, okay? So that was again, step, and then you kick, back, step, step. The same thing to the left toe, right toe. Here comes a kick, and weave back, step, step, step into the middle now. So angle, back into the middle. We're gonna move into a Charleston. The right foot goes forward with a toe and goes back, body exchange. The left foot goes back with a toe and steps to the front. That's a Charleston. We're gonna do 4 steps to your left shoulder. You can march it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we really want you to do a little bit of a twist with the hips by bending the knees. So step with the knee, step and a turn, step and a step. Little twist there, yes. A jazz box is what's next. So right cross over left, left goes back, right steps to the side, and left comes together. And we finish with a twist. That's why it's peppermint twist. So your heels go to the right, then to the left, and then to the right for a hold. And we do it again the other way, and the left, and the right, and the left. And we are done. All right, so we're going to do it now step by step. I'm going to call the steps in advance so you can follow me. Here comes a strut, kick, and weave for the right and the left side. Ready? And toe, walk, kick, weave back, step, step, walk left, and kick to the middle step, step, Charleston, forward, together, nice and slow, back, march to the left with twist, twist, step, jazz box, 1, step, step, twist, 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 stop, twist, twist, stop. Yay. I know you got it. All right. And here comes peppermint twist with the count. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and hold. 5, 6, 7, and hold. All right, well, you can put the videos back each section and see which one helps you better, and then have some fun with the music. See you soon. All right, so for your peppermint twist, there is a little variation when you do the twist at the end. On wall 4, if you may. So instead of, and I'm just going to turn so you got the twist, twist, and hold, twist, twist, and hold. For the variation, when you are facing 6 o'clock, the other side of the wall, it will be a faster 1 and 2 and 3 and kick, 1 and 2 and 3 and a hop back. Totally optional. I'm going to do it in this wall. 1 and 2 and 3 and kick, 1 and 2 and 3 and back. And then that's a little variation you can have some fun with.